Alrighty, y'all. Try to get this one going. I think I'm over here by the battery. Yeah, I'm by the battery, y'all. I'll get it energized.
Dang it. Should have come a lot better. Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta fight them.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah, I usually don't set one at the battery, but with this grass being right here, that's actually a good spot.
Somebody around here has to catch them.
Apparently that's a Charlie Manson song, too. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can never find one. I don't even know what... Oh, shoot. Follow me, follow me. Yeah, right over here. Well, yeah, but... This door right here?
When you see the children, X's
Mm. Okay, coming. I'm coming. Where are you? I don't even see the chickens going off. She's near the gate. Oh, she went down. Okay. Oh, I see her. Leatherface is on somebody. I think it's Leland, yeah. Sorry. I stole his kill. Sorry, Leatherface. Alright. I know, bro. He bullied the shit out of me as Leatherface a couple games ago, bro. I'm not a good Leatherface, but it was ridiculous. Bro, he tackled me, got me in a corner, and just kept shanking me. It was insane. Connie's right here. She's about to be marked. Connie is over here. I'm by Grandpa. She just went back down to the basement. I know. Alright, I'm going back up. Because I don't know where she went. Oh, shit. Somebody just went through that gate. Oh, okay, I see you down there. We got a gate situation up here. It was the generator gate, but it's all good. Hold on. No, not that I know of. Yeah, it's still lockable, so all good. Are you still on her? Oh, Anna's coming your way. Hey, teamwork. I keep scavenging all these kills. Right, Anna's tough.
There, it's all right,
Oh, there's Leatherface. Alright, we should not all be in the same area. Where is this person at? Y'all might want to go check. Oh, there they are. They're right there. I see them. Over here. Connie's right here on me. I'm right here. She thought she could hide from the hiker. You can't hide from the hiker, bitch. You can't hide from the hiker. Hey. Got one more, guys. Ooh, I'm gonna go for 4 kills if I can get out of here. I'm stuck in this car. They gotta fix this in that update. 'Cause I get stuck at that fucking car all the time when they duck up in that car. Oh! Generator! 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 Or maybe not generator, I'm not sure. But it was this gate right here that they opened. Unless that was one of y'all. Oh, that was one of y'all? Okay. I'm gonna go feed Grandpa. I got a full vial. It's all good. It's all good. I have a perk on that whenever a major door gets opened, it goes off. Backyard, big door just got opened too. I'm gonna go run back there and check. They might be going for the battery. All right. They're gonna be going for the battery. They just stepped in my trap. They just stepped in my trap. We're probably fucked. I'm running. I'm trying, man, but this map is so confusing. Yeah, they're out. Damn it. Ha 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 ha. GG's, GG's. Well, only one got out. GG's, GG's. Follow me on Twitch, CW Viper, Tim's Stuff and Comedy on YouTube. Sorry, I stole all y'all's kills. Haha.